I can't get over the number of blossoms on this petunia plant. This year I planted with my compost that I make, and used a lot of the compost, pretty much 2/3 compost, 1/3 dirt, and just crazy. This is the it's called Vista Bubblegum Wave Petunia. I mean, look at that. It's amazing. And I call this Piper's Petunias because it's right outside her window that she likes to nap at. But isn't that amazing? And then, wait a minute, we're going to pause this. And then this is out the other bedroom window, my bedroom. And that is, I can't remember what it was called. I think it was Stargazer or something. It's similar to the ones I had last year that were purple with, they almost look like constellations, stars. And then this is Bacopa, the white. I think the Bacopa looks so pretty planted with the petunias, but isn't that beautiful? And then, of course, my fence ones that I did another video about are just going crazy. Now, those were planted with just the compost, so they're even crazier than the other ones, but pretty amazing.